Hi, welcome to another video of mine. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to get 100 subscribers daily or even 50 subscribers daily. You find it difficult to get subscribers. As a growing creator, you're meant to be getting at least 20 subscribers daily, but you don't even see subscribers at all. I'll be showing you how you can be able to use live streaming to get your subscribers count. And in this video, I'll be doing a screen record with one or three of my live streaming videos that has really helped me boost my channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. I'm in my YouTube studio dashboard to show you two or three of my live streaming video that has really helped me boost my subscribers count. Yes, if you have not started live streaming, make sure you start live streaming because these things I'm about to show you, this video will really blow your mind. Okay, let's go to the content and check. These are my live stream videos. Yes, let's go to view all, so you will see what I'm really talking about. Let's check this particular video here. Okay, the title of this video is quitting YouTube in 2025. Yes, don't quit. Yes, this is a kind of motivating young or growing creators not to quit because they are not getting subscribers, or maybe their channel is not really going well. This video is like advising them not to quit. So let's go to analytics of this video and see what this video has really gotten. Okay, this is the overview. This is the overview. As of today, I have gotten 31.2 thousand views on this particular video. Yes, look at the watch hours. Look at the watch hours there. 537 watch hours. Guys, you know the good part of this is that you'll be getting watch hours and you'll be getting subscribers. This is really massive. For me to get 537 watch hours count in a particular video, just one video, is really big. And look at the subscribers count, guys. 181, and it's plus 181 because it's more than 181, maybe 190, or even rather 200 is still growing as of today. Yes, because it's showing plus sign, it's still growing as of today. Look at what I have gotten. Okay, let's check another video. Let's check another video. We'll not go into the reach or the engagement. Yes, let's look for another video. Yes, let's check this particular video here. Okay guys, let's go to this one. Yes, look at this video here, how to get subscribers. Yes, I was telling people how to get subscribers. Let's go to the analytics of this video. Let's go to the analytics of this video. Okay, look at the overview, guys. Look at the overview. Look at the overview. The overview, as of today, I've gotten 21.9 thousand views on this particular video. Is really massive, guys. And look at the watch hour, 352 watch hours. This is really big. This is really big. And look at the subscribers, plus 109 subscribers. Yes, it's more than 109. And as of today, this video is still doing well. People are still choosing to watch them. Yes, this video, the one I showed you, and this one, they are still watching these videos as of today. It's still growing. The subscribers counts are still growing. The watch hours are still growing. Even the views too. So let's check for another video, guys. Let's check for another video so that you will see what I'm really talking about. Okay, let's check this video, guys. Let's check this particular video. In this video, yes, I was still explaining how you can be able to get your subscribers. Let's go to the analytics. Let's go to the analytics, guys. So look at this video. I've gotten 6.7 thousand views. It's really good. And look at the watch hour, 113 watch hours. Look at the subscribers, plus 46. Guys, this, if you are live streaming daily, or if you're the kind of person that live stream 3 times weekly or even 2 times weekly, you can be able to reach your 1000 subscribers. Yes, within 1 month you can be able to reach your 1000 subscribers. Yes, and maybe in 2 months or 3 months you can be able to get your 4000 watch hours if you live stream 3 times weekly, or rather even 2 times weekly. So if you don't so if you're not live streaming, then you start live streaming. I wanted to show you guys more, but I don't want this video to be so long. Yes, because I've really got video that has really helped my subscribers count. And remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified each time I upload videos like this. So live streaming is one of the most powerful tools to grow on YouTube. Yes, and if you want to live stream those videos that I showed you earlier, the live stream was up to 2 hours. If you want to live stream, make sure your live stream lasts at least 1 hour. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.